we are going to start our temporal bone dissection program. This is Dr. Elena and this is Dr. Shweta.
From external carotid artery, which pierces the parotid gland. So I come to parotid. Next, if you look the internal surface of the squamous part, here you can see some markings which are in conformation with the temporal lobe of the cell.
I'm Dr. Alina from Hyderabad, and when I came to know about this dissection course, which is going to be held for the first time by a powerhouse named Dr. Somnath Saha, I did not think anything. Should I go? Should I not? I just wanted to pounce on this opportunity as early as possible, because we hear about him. We know that the amount of skills, talent, and a very good teacher he is, that he can teach others who want to learn. And so I just joined this course. Over here we were given incredible microscopes, a very great bone. We were able to do every day a module was given to us. We were following the module, being on time, but still doing it at our own pace, because this was a 3-day course. So that is something very unique. Then we also attended some live surgeries. Again, this is the first time. It was just Dr. Shweta and me, and so Sir had completely focused on us these past 3 days, and the amount of effort he has put in for the last 2 weeks, I can just imagine that to arrange each and everything, it takes time. And I met incredible people here who have been past students of Sir, and again just sharing knowledge, guiding us, teaching us throughout the day. 12 hours. It was just incredible overall. The team who was here, Sir's students, all the surgeons who were here, and this is an opportunity you should not skip. Thank you.
Great experience and great learning in these 3 days of workshop under the guidance of Dr. Somnath Shah sir. He has been great, incredibly great, and the thing we have been provided for the dissection, that was really good. We got the good bone, good microscope, good instruments, and the teachers and the professors and other doctors we had on daily session. It was really awesome to have learning under his guide, under them. So, and we had Momita, we had Sir who have been guiding throughout the day. We had a great teaching also for radiology session, for anatomy session, and the hospitality over here was really good. So we had a great experience under this workshop. Thank you so much.